Everyone, welcome back. This is from Standard 10 Fourth Flight, A Tiger in the Zoo, written by Leslie Norris. In this video, I have given all the question answers. And in my last two videos, I have given all the explanation, the message that the poet has conveyed, the central idea of the poem, and even the word meanings, the figures of speech, everything is given in my last two videos. So, children, please go through that before you read the question answers. Now, it is very difficult for us to give all the questions, but a few that are very important I have penned down in these slides. So, I begin with the reference to context. These are two stanzas in which the questions as well as the answers are given, along with this is according to the board questions, the way they ask. So please go through these questions in reference to context. You have to go through the rhyme scheme, the figures of speech, and antonym, synonym. All these are very important, and the setting of the stanza, everything I have given in my last two videos. So that is why I'm insisting that before you go through the question answers, go through my video so that it is you are in a better position to answer the questions. So these are two reference to context I have given, and these are the short answer type questions. How does a tiger create terror for the villagers? Leslie Norris has described some of the activities of a tiger behind the bars of his cage. Describe the tiger in the cage. So there were two setting, like we came across two settings of the poem. First was the tiger in the cage, and second setting was in the wild. So these are all the short questions that I have given. You can write them. Any doubt you have or any question you want to ask, please write in the comment section, and so that I am able to answer you there. So these are again the short answer type questions, which are generally of 30 to 40 words. So this is according to the board questions. Now next we'll come across the long answer type questions. Long answer type questions are generally value based questions. Now these value based questions are what happens in value based questions, like this question: love for freedom is the natural instinct of every living being. Comment. Okay, now here although I have not written in context to the poem, but in the exam they will be asking you, love for freedom is the natural instinct of every living being. So comment in context to the poem or the poem that we have done, A Tiger in the Zoo. So what you have to do, you have to write in context to the poem first. Now first you will write about the tiger who is in the cage and how he is longing for his freedom, and what does he want to do if he comes out in the wild. So everything about the tiger in the cage and his deep desire to be free, that you have to write in the first paragraph. In the second paragraph you have to write in general, like here I have written, God has made all living beings equally, and thus the animals too have the right to freedom. So you can see in the first I have given in respect to the poem, in the second I have given in general about the human beings, how it is connected in general. So in the both the forms you have to give. Why? Because long answer type questions are generally of 10 marks, and it is very important. Next question that I have given is it right to confine wild animals in the zoo? Why or why not? Okay. So these are the questions I have put in my slides. I hope you go through the answers properly and you understand them. Now a few multiple choice questions I have given, which you can do it on your own after going through each stanza. They are very easy, and in the board papers you will get multiple choice questions, especially for reference to context. So that is why I have given a few multiple choice questions from the stanzas that are there in the poem, and I hope you understand in a better way. Please go through my other two videos and jot down the questions and answers, and please comment below if there are any doubts, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.